Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll write a JavaScript program that calculates the sum of an array of integers using recursion. Recursion is a fundamental concept where a function calls itself to solve smaller pieces of a problem. We'll see how to break down an array one element at a time. Let's start by understanding the problem itself. We first need to add all the numbers in an array together. Using recursion, we repeatedly remove the last number and add it to the sum of the rest. This way, we eventually get the total sum. Let's dive into the JavaScript code that does this. We define a function array sum that takes in an array as input. If the array has only one element left, we return it. Otherwise, we pop the last element and add it to the sum of the remaining array. This repeats until the base case is reached. This function works by repeatedly removing the last element and summing it up with the rest. It uses a base case to stop the recursion when the array has only one element left. On its return, it adds back the popped number. This builds the final sum step by step. Each recursive call removes one number and waits for the sum of the smaller array. As the calls return, they add back the number that were popped. This continues until all numbers are summed together. Let's look at how this technique is useful in practice. Recursive summation is great for processing nested or tree-like data. It also helps explain recursion in courses and tutorials. It is the building block for more complex divide and conquer strategies. Let's finish with a summary of what we've learned. We've built a recursive function that sums the elements of an array. It is a clear and effective way to understand recursive calls and problem breakdown. Try modifying it for different cases or applying it to nested arrays. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.